Tired of spending endless hours manually managing your dropshipping store? Let's dive into Autods and automate the entire process. First, product sourcing. Autods makes it simple to find trending products by using its built-in product research tools. Start by navigating to the Product Research tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Here you can filter by category, price range, supplier, and much more to discover high-potential items. Once you've found a winner, import it directly to your store with just a few clicks. Next up, order fulfillment. Autods automates the entire process. When a customer places an order on your store, Autods automatically fulfills it with your supplier. No more manual order placement. Inventory management is crucial for avoiding overselling. Autods automatically updates your product stock levels based on your supplier's inventory, ensuring you never sell something that's out of stock. Autods offers various pricing plans to fit your needs, so choose the one that aligns with your business goals. And that's it. In a nutshell, with Autods, you can streamline your dropshipping business, save time, and focus on scaling your profits. Start automating today.